Hi everyone, hope you will be fine today. I'm here today to explain the Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2017 Paper 2 to May June document production part. So, in this part of the question paper, before it starts with the document, they ask you to prepare your evidence document which have your name, center number and candidate number on every page. So we'll open the evidence document here. Here will include your name, center number, candidate number. I'm going to include this one in the header of the document. So here is name, then center number, and then candidate number. Let me type this 2 digits capital just like that. Click on close and save your document as, then click on browse and just save it with your candidate number and as a Word document. Just click on save. So as they have mentioned here, I have saved it with my candidate number. Now we start with the document. So they said you are going to edit a guide for new undergraduate at Tawara University. So this university uses a corporate style for all their candidates, their documents. Paragraph students should be created and applied as instructed. So what we are going to do, we are going to open the file J227 news ug.rtf first. This is the one. And then next step they said set the page orientation to landscape and do not change the paper size and margins. You just need to change the page orientation to landscape and you have nothing to do with other properties like paper size and margins. Then they said save the file with the name UG guide into the format of the software that you are using. So we'll click on file, save as, and then I will name it as they mentioned in the format of the software that you are using. So I'm going to save it as a Word document. We'll click on save. And next step is you need to take a screenshot of your file name with the type. So here is our file called UG guide. Going to increase this one and we'll decrease this one here. We will take screenshot of this one and we will place this one in our evidence document. Place it in the evidence document here. It's your evidence one and we just need to crop the unnecessary part of this picture so our file name and the file type is clearly visible here just like that. And next step is to move forward, place in the header of the file automated page number left align, automated file name and path right align in the header. So I will go to the document here, UG guide, insert a header with blank 3 columns. On the left side they want page number. So you click here, current position and page number. And at the right side they need the file name and path. So we'll click on quick parts here, then field, and then we'll choose from here file name, and then we'll click on add path to file name. This is how it will look like, and let's delete this one. We don't need this one here. And then click on close the header. And next step they have mentioned here that we need also in the footer center number, candidate number, left align. So insert a footer from here. We need our name, then our center number and candidate number just like that. Click on close and next step is to check all the alignments, note other text in the header footer area except that they mentioned earlier, and the header footer displayed on every page. Yes, it is displayed on every page. One thing you can do just here, as my path is very long here, as you can see, so you just click here and move this towards left little bit, and then just move it towards right like this. Yeah, so click on save, and next step is to create the paragraph styles. So first of all is UG title. We'll create a UG title style. So we'll click on style here, style tab, and then click here to create a style. Name the style UG title, modify, and then this one must be sans serif with 24 point size. Sans serif I always choose Arial with 24 font size, and this must be right in line, underline, and after spacing they want 0, and line spacing before is 0, after is 12. So, and single line spacing as well. So click on OK, then click on OK again. So this is done. Now next is you need to create UG subtitle. So we'll start with creating a new style now. We'll modify it. That must be sans serif with 16 point this time. And then center line and italic, no bold, no underline, center line italic, and 00 after and before spacing, and single line spacing as well. Click on OK, click on OK, that is done. Now here we choose UG subhead. So we start with the creating UG, modify this one, and this one will be sans serif and 14 this time, and then center align again, it is already center line, bold and italic, bold and italic, and after spacing is 0. So after spacing is 12, and before spacing is 0. Click on OK. Okay, this style is created as well. Now UG body style. So create a style with the name UG body, and this one must be serif font. So serif means you can choose Times New Roman with the font size 12, and then this must be justified. So format, paragraph, and justified here, and then after no enhancement. So here we'll click on no enhancement, and before after spacing is 12, so it is already mentioned here, and just we want this one with no enhancement. Click on OK, that is done. And the last is UG bullet style. So we create one more with UG bullet, modify this one as well. Again, this one is serif with 12 point. So serif with 12 point, and then 1 centimeter indent with hanging paragraph. So format, paragraph, and 1 centimeter hanging. Click OK, and then this one with hanging paragraph and square bullet shape. Format, numbering, bullet with the square shape. Click on OK, that is done, and then no space after and before. So paragraph after and before spacing is 0, and left align. So click on OK, and then just click on OK. That is done. Now you need to take a screenshot of the bullet style. Right click, modify, and just get a print screen of this one. Click on OK, and place this one as your evidence number 2 for step number 4. So again, I'm just going to remove the unnecessary part of this picture just like that. Now it will look like this, and we'll proceed with the next step. They said apply the UG title style to the title undergraduate guide for new student at the start of the document. So select this one and apply to it UG title style. Then after below the title, add a subtitle card edited by and then your name. So we just need to click here, a new one, and then your name. After typing your name, as it is a subtitle, so just select subtitle style for this one as they have mentioned here, and then apply the UG body style to the rest of the document. So from this point onward, I will apply UG body style to the document text. So if you look at this paragraph, it seems a little bit bigger here. This font is not according to the UG bullet style. Now everything is perfect here according to the style. So all our document is according to the UG body style. Now here we need to move to next step. Step number 9, change the page layout so that subheading international community and all following text are displayed in 3 columns of equal width with 1.5 centimeter space between them. So from this point onward, international community till the end, we need to change the layout of our document to 3 columns. Just move here and then layout, columns, more columns, 3 and 1.5 centimeter gap between them. So this is how it will look like now. Yes. Next step, they said apply the UG bullet style to the text, attend welcome and university campus. So we need to look for this one. Yeah, it is here. We select this one and we apply to it UG bullet style. This is how it will look like. And then identify the 8th subheading in the document and apply UG subheading style to each one. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are the 8 subheadings and apply the UG subheading style to them. It's done. Now using the data in the file j227dom.csv. So we need to look at this file. Yeah, what we need to do with it, we need to create a pie chart to show the total students enrolled by region. So this is the file, just click here, enrolled by region total students. So select these ones and then total. It has nothing to do with post and undergraduate, and then click on insert and then pie chart, a simple pie chart, just like that. And then after has a label students by domicile. Here you just need to type this. And next step is display a legend as well and display on each sector only the percentage value. So legend is already here. What you need to do is you just need to click here to show the legend as well as the percentage value. Just get a copy of this one now, the chart, and insert the chart immediately after the paragraph ending students studying with us. So students studying with us, we need to look for a paragraph which ending with students study with us. Just here and click on paste. So the chart is pasted here. Yeah. After pasting the chart, you just go to, yeah, we have pasted the chart, and the next step they said, make sure that the chart fits within the width column and all the data is displayed. Now format the paragraph that start, we are proud that 82 display 3 to 5 point centimeter with a black border. So we have a paragraph, we are proud, yes, this paragraph should have a border. So in this case I'm just going to get back little bit to the normal and will paste the chart, and let me reduce the chart size so that it fits in the width of the column. Yeah, and then after is I'm going to look for the paragraph that we are proud. Yeah, this paragraph till here I am going to apply first of all a border of 3 to 4 point. So external border only, and then properties, just choose from here 3 to 4 points. I'm going to choose 3 to 4 point, and then they mention here apply light gray shading 10 to 25% to fill this area. So shading, and we'll just click on OK first, and then we'll go to the shade. So I'm going to choose 15%, this one. And next step is move the paragraph which start we have extensive, so it is positioned immediately below the subheading computing services. So we have a paragraph here, we need to move that paragraph after the computing services. Yes, we'll just cut this one from here, this paragraph, and we'll paste it after computing services, just like that. And then they mention here import the image J227 leisure.jpg and place this below the subheading leisure activity. So leisure activity here, and then click on insert a picture, and then click on picture or desktop here, and then click on this folder and just insert the picture like that. Once the picture is inserted, they said, so we will reflect the image so the scatter faces the left side. So we'll just right click, then we'll click on format picture, then 3D rotation. We don't have any option of reflection, but we'll use 3D rotation to rotate the picture on x-axis. Now the scatter faces the left side. That's all. And next step is to resize the image to 2 centimeter wide. So click on the picture, and here is the option in the format tab and in the size option here. Just mention here 2 centimeter. This is how it will look like. And they said the aspect ratio is maintained, and then alignment of the image to the top of the paragraph. We are proud, we provide plenty. So we just click here, and then we click on square. So this is how our picture will look like. We just need to fix the picture from the left and top of the paragraph, just like that. And then spell check and proofread the document. So we will click on F7 button for spelling and grammar check. So ignore Wi-Fi. student need to be changed, and then the course need to be changed. We have nothing to do with the heading. Ignore, ignore. And spelling grammar check is completed. Just click on OK and move back to the question again. So now you have to cross check. Make sure that the list is not split in the two columns and no widows and orphan and all the things are alright. So that's all from the document part of this question paper now, and we will proceed to the next question. So in next step they said here, step number 23, the university are going to create an online facility to enable communication on a range of issues. They need to decide between using a blog or a forum. So evaluate in your own words the difference between blog and forum. Recommend what you consider to be the most appropriate option for use by university and explain your reasons. So evidence 3, we need to go to our evidence document and we need to type our evaluation and recommendation here. So first I'm going to say about the blog, that how the blog is helpful. So blog is for one person, or you can say organization, disseminating information, posting can be longer or more detailed. That's it. And then blog is a personal internet journal, sorry, journal, uh, diary, diary writer will type in observation on some topic, and then also you can say that blog creator drives content, one person, one person's one person's thought, and one author post thought on a subject. Blog post typically longer. Readers can comment on content. Yeah, observations will just, yeah. And in the same way, we have forum. For forum, we can say that it is a group sharing thoughts, discussion, comments, or brief, user generated contents, broader collection of thoughts, then also conservations between members of group several time or you several different thoughts on a subject. Comments could be comments could be moderated to ensure contents is appropriate for the university. So definitely in this case I would prefer to use the forum because of the, you can say, authenticity. So that's all from the data document production part of this question paper. So hope you have learned how to deal with the document, and you also learned about how we can change the layout of the document to 3 or more columns. And now you also know about the difference between blog and forums. So thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.